Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can pick font style on this device. Firstly, you need to access Devices Settings. After that, click on Personalizations over here. Then click on Font and Display Size and tap on one of those font styles. You can see a preview over here. When you're ready, in order to save your style, choose Apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!